Hi guys, this is Topper Chef back again. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a spiced vegetable chowder. Okay, so now we're going to begin with our chowder. Basically a chowder is with lots of potatoes. In this case I put potatoes and cauliflower to give that base. So we're going to add some oil to it, little oil. Since this is a soup, but we want to make it a bit differently with some spice in it. I love chowders, but I find it very rich and not spicy. So we're going to saute this ginger garlic first, a little bit, because as a soup it's gonna cook for a long time, so you don't have to really cook this. I'm going to add my potatoes to it. Always the potatoes first so that they blend well in the soup. All my potatoes. To this I'm going to add little hint of turmeric. You'll see this. Oh my god, it will turn out so good. And our cauliflower too. Now this is the base, so we're gonna let this cook for at least half an hour till all this really reduces. Move this around a little bit. Okay, so now to this, we're gonna add about 3 cups of water and let it come to a boil. About 5 cups of water. Okay, so now our potatoes and cauliflower has been boiling for about half an hour or so, and they are almost cooked. But I'm going to puree them a little bit, not too much. Our chowder is usually very pureed, but my puree is going to come from the soup, Okay, so now you can see I didn't puree it. There are still little kind of potatoes like this here, okay? We want to feel the potatoes in our mouth when we are eating that soup. So usually a chowder is very pureed. To this, I'm going to add the smoked jalapeno which was done. So that's why it will give that kick to it. And some onions. We're still cooking a soup, so there are some more vegetables to go. It's a vegetable chowder. And to this, I'm going to add the white sauce that we made. So it's going in there completely, and then now we are simmering this for some time. Okay, so now it is 5 minutes for one simmer. You can see it is slowly bubbling. And to this I'm going to add my additional vegetables. The reason I don't add all these vegetables, I don't want to puree. I want a crunch of these vegetables when I'm eating. So there is celery and carrots. And little broccoli. So it makes it a whole vegetable soup. And now there's no salt in it because this is vegetable broth. It's got a lot of flavor in it. Okay, so we added everything and I'm just gonna let it simmer. Now we'll let it simmer till the vegetables are cooked, and that would be probably about 10 minutes or so. So everything's done to this, and this is how our soup is gonna look. And so we'll check it out after 10 minutes. Okay, so this has been simmering for about 10 minutes now, and it's really reduced. And so now we just need some cilantro for garnish, and voila, this is ready. It's nice and thick and it's ready. Okay, so Topper Chef back again. We're gonna taste this spiced veggie chowder. Wow, it's really good. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, and like us on Facebook, join us on Pinterest, and also subscribe to our Topper Chef channel, and happy cooking!